basically we received this photo, which is very dark. So I just give you the tip, you guys. So whenever I got this, and I just took it out from outside, which is a mag, just like here, right? And then you can go to your import, right, like this. So you got to import it, okay? Open it, and then edit it, and then I can get this better color, don't you think? All right, so now I see the depth of the colors a little bit dark here. Better color, still bright, then no problem. You're using the more, and then you can see the luminance, just like that. Hue, you know, I can control this. Okay. Anyway, so I don't have any problem when you have this kind of things too bright. Their camera setting, which is not great. So that's why I fabricated. Basically, we did it with a zirconia frame. Okay. The problem is the zirconia frame has a high opacity, so I cannot get those kind of color. So what we did, so we made a lisi press, which is wax, and then press. Okay, so this is what patient can get, the beautiful vitality, right? As I showed you guys about subtle white stain, opolucency, and this, and then we finish it, trying to make the good contact. This is the finalizer. Make sense? So open bite, make the zirconia abutment. Basically these colors, which is our custom shade cap, fabricate a little brighter, but exactly what I'm looking for. Alright, so thanks for watching my YouTube video. I'm happy to give you guys about the cosmetic design tip. Thank you. trying to press a little bit longer than the other side. However, I press the side of the contour just like the other side. Good. Yes. Okay, now length. For the size I added this much. Okay, this is a normal, this is a normal, so I can make the whole down to the plan. And also I make the good middle line as well. Now if I move to this one. Squeeze the height of the contour. And you can check the margin. I don't really see them. And also, of the MI2 or CS3, which is my good guide, compared to A2, so we can make the low value. And also we create the local efficiency too. It's not a problem to make the efficiency contour. You can see here the not much texture, why you not putting texture on top. So once it's done, finalize the shaping contour, the angle, impact, the unit. Okay, ready to final contour. This is glazing stage. So basically A2, but it's lighter than A2. That's some good amount of translucency, which is a good chroma already there. Then applied a little bit about the white thing, which is what I see. Horizontal line, just a little bit too much, but not exactly like this. I have to fire it just like that. And also just a little tiny bit, let's maximize it with the translucency, just a little bit, not too much, so we increase it, the opacity like that. Okay. And then also utilize the halo effect, this, so you can get whenever you see the difference, because it's a core difference, so not too late, you add just a little sort of staining, then you can get with the other side. So good amount of emergency translucency too. Okay, now it's, that one is ready to glazing. Okay, so this is the final two crowns. We're trying to match the same symmetry. This is slightly longer than the other side, but it's okay with a metal-free VC cosmic press. Alright, has the slightly lack of room, but it's fine compared to the other translucency with LEC. That is the final with a good amount of texture, chroma.